Hello guys and girls, this video is for those of you who have problems with patch 9 and 10. Hello, this is for those of you unable to run and or patch the game correctly. Here I will show you how to get past patch 9 and 10 and be able to run and play the game. So guys and girls here, I experienced this problem because I didn't, my patcher was just looping and looping and looping. It downloaded the patch, it applied the patch, and when it was finished, it just exited without any error or anything. So I just started the patcher again, and then it's just started looping and looping and looping. I'll try to show you this now if everything works out. Let's see here now. Yeah, as you can see, it starts up and preparing to apply new patch and blah 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 blah. This was just running and running and running and running all over again, so I had no idea what was wrong. After a lot of googling and searching and reading in different forums on teamliquid.net and of course battle.net, I was able to find a solution that worked for me, and I'll try to show you how to apply this solution if you have the same problem. First of all, let's see on this site I have up right now. I was trying to find what to do, and I found out that I could download the patches separately and apply them to my to Starcraft 2 folder manually. So this is what I will show you how to do. And since patch 9 worked for me, I'm just going to do this with patch number 10. And as you can see, I have this site up here with all the patches and everything. So I just go and download the Starcraft 2 patch number 10. And it's since I already downloaded it, I can just open the patch and just extract it. I'm going to extract it to the desktop like this and press OK. So now I have the files necessary to update to patch 10 manually. So what I need to do is I have got to go to my folder where I installed Starcraft 2 beta, which is here, and then I need to go to, sorry, I believe it, yeah, I need to go to the support folder. So just open your support folder and it should look like this. Then we go to the website again and it tells us what to do. So let's see here now. It says for each file in each patch do the following. So we will start with patch 10, which is the patch I have been experiencing with problems with. So I open the folder which I am going to take the files into, and of course I also need to open the folder where I have those files. So let's see here now. I'm just going to open the website and these folders, of course, so you can see. So it says for each file in each patch do the following. Copy the file to the support folder in your install folder. So this is the install folder, of course. So we take the first file, we copy that one, and we paste it into this folder. And it says rename it to sc2patch.mpq, and that's what we're going to do. So just right click and just rename the file to sc2-patch.mpq and enter. And of course we want to change it. So there it is now. Then you run the Blizzard updater exe, and which you find here, and it will automatically start patching. Since I have already done this, it will be an error for me now, but you will see that it starts patching and updates the different files and things like that, and when it's finished I believe you have to press OK or it will exit it on itself. I'm not quite sure. But just press OK or press X when it's finished. And after you have done that, you have to delete the file if it's not deleted on its own, and it's not deleted on its own here, so I just choose it and just delete the file like that. And then when I have done that, I take the second file, I copy that one, go to the same folder and paste it in here. Right click, I give it the new name or the same name as the last one, which you can find here, sc2 patch mpq, sc2 dash patch.mpq, and enter. And as you can see, it's lying here, and you have to run the Blizzard Updater exe once more. Just double click and it will start patching, and everything when it's finished you can just press OK or exit. I'm not quite sure if it exits on its own, but you will find out. So then you just delete that file once again, and that's it. Now you have fixed the Blizzard update problem. So what you need to do is you have to run the Starcraft 2 game through this SC2 switcher exe. You cannot use the standardized Starcraft 2 beta startup patcher with which is this one here. That's not going to work. I have tried it, and let's try to show you. It will just stated that preparing to apply new patch, preparing to download new patch, no problems detected, and blah 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 blah. So this was just loop and loop and loop and loop. So what you really need to do, you have to run this SC2 switcher exe. So when you do that, you will start the game, and you will not get invalid version problem. You just type in your email address, and then you apply your nickname and identifier. I have already done this, so I just need to log in. And I guess everybody has been in already once in their different once in earlier patches, so that's no problem. Doesn't need to show you that. Don't need to show you that. So now it should work. And for those of you who have uninstalled the game and installed it again, and I tried to apply the different patches through the patching system automatically from Blizzard. If that does not work, you can do exactly the same thing with all the other patches, but extremely important that you start with patch number 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 10, and you do it the exact way I showed you on patch 10. So when you, for example, have problem from patch 8 to 9, you can download patch 9 and do exactly the same thing as I did with patch 10. That is, you extract the files into a folder like this. You go to your support folder and you take the first one first. You copy this file, put it in here, and then you rename it to this name here. And then you just run the Blizzard Updater. And when you have finished with all the files from patch 9, you do the same thing with patch 10. So when you have done that, everything will work. The thing is, you can't run the game through the patching exe, which is just lying in this folder here. That will not work. So you have to go to, you have to go to the support folder and do it all the way from here, and then run the game through this Starcraft 2 switcher. And then the game will work. As you can see, I will post these links on the movie, on the description of the movie, so you can read and of course download the different files which you need. And don't care about all these things here. Just download the files and do it manually. So I will give you the links so you can do that, and I hope this will help you. If you experience any problem, just message me and I will try to help you further. Not sure if I may be able to do so and help you, but I try my best. So I hope this will solve the problems you have, and probably I see you in game. And I'm located in the Europe in Norway, so I'm playing on the EU server. So if you want to add me, feel free, but message me first and we'll talk about it. So again, I hope this works for you guys. And if you experience any problem, just message me and I help you. Thanks a lot and goodbye.